You've got 5 seconds.
My grandfather owns that bus.
Then your grandfather should have come for it.
He can't,
Why?
because he's in the hospital.
I've already got the paperwork.
Can you give me some time? 24 hours.
After that, it's scrap.
How much?
3,000 grand.
I don't have that kind of money.
Then you better find it.
Grandpa, what did you get yourself in? You knew they were taking it?
I signed the papers.
Why?
Because sometimes you have to let things go.
Not that one.
Jane,
I'm paying someone to bring it back to life. We can't lose that. I have it.
you came up with all of that overnight?
I told you I'd come back.
It's yours.
Thank you.
This hasn't run in years.
Can you bring it back?
It's gonna need everything.
Then give it everything.
Deal.
This is the last one.
Come on, just a little more. Yes, finally.
Can stop about almost perfect. Just a few more passes. That's it. Smooth as glass.
Plugs are in. Now secure the wires, tight and ready. Gauge is seated. All right. Let's test these switches. Good, good, okay.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
You really brought her back.
No, you did. I just helped you.
Grandpa, I hope you're ready to see what we brought back. Your memories aren't going anywhere.
Jane, how did you do this?
I needed to restore it so you don't lose your car and the memories of it. And at least your feet are getting better.
Come here!
Grandpa,
You brought her back.
I brought your memories back.